In today's video, let me show you how to fix the DeepSeek login error. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can try out is if you are currently using or trying to log in using the app of DeepSeek, then you can first of all try to clear the app cache. So just tap on this eye icon once you're inside of the settings page. Head over to storage and then tap on clear cache. Once this step is complete, make sure you remove the DeepSeek app from the recent app list and try to see if this issue is fixed. If you are still having issues, the second thing that you can try out is try to uninstall DeepSeek from your device and then again re-download it. Sometimes minor bugs may be causing this issue, so once you complete this step, you should be able to log into your account. However, if you're still having issues with it and if you're trying to log in using your email, make sure you check your spam folders inside of your email to see if those codes have been sent to your email address. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, make sure that you also disconnect to any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one, and if you are currently using a desktop or your laptop, make sure you remove any sort of ad blockers as well, as those might also be causing these sort of issues. If none of these solutions work out for you, then what you need to do is just wait out a couple of minutes before you try to log in again. Sometimes high demand or high traffic may cause these sort of issues, so just wait out a couple of minutes, maybe up to 30 minutes, and you should be able to log in. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.